In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Skool Community Course. We'll walk through the process from logging in all the way to creating and editing your course, so you can start organizing your content for your members right away. First, open your browser and go to the Skool website. Make sure you're on the official site so everything looks familiar and secure. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll see the options to choose or sign into your account. Use the account that's connected to the Skool community you want to work with. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to a page showing your available communities. If you're part of multiple communities, take a quick moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage groups for different projects or clients. Click on the community where you want to create your course. Inside your community, look for the Classroom tab in the main navigation. This is where all your structured learning content will live. Go ahead and click on Classroom. If this is your first time here, the page may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. Next, you'll see an option to create a new course. Look for a button labeled New Course and click it. This will open a form where you'll set up the basic details of your course. Start by adding your course name. Choose a clear, descriptive title so members instantly know what the course is about. For example, instead of something vague, use a name that highlights the outcome or topic. Once you've added the course name, move down to the course description field. Now, add your course description. This is your chance to explain who the course is for, what's included, and what members will learn by the end. A good description sets expectations and helps people stay engaged. When you're happy with the name and description, click on the Add button to create the course. Skool will now generate your new course space inside the classroom. After the course is created, you'll see it listed there. To make adjustments, click on the Edit option next to your course. This will reopen the settings where you can refine your course name if needed. Maybe you want to clarify the topic or adjust the wording based on your audience. Once you've made any edits to the course name, scroll down and click Save. That locks in your changes and updates the course for everyone in your community.